against the pan?
I bet it did. Yeah, it's pouring out of the pan.
Brought to you in part by Alpine Toyota.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we are back, and it has been a couple months, but finally, we're heading out wheeling again. I got my truck back together after replacing the berth from blowing it up last time we were out. Corey's actually taking along this time around, and yeah, let's go find some rocks.
The route we chose to follow today is an old, tight quad trail in one of our favorite local areas to explore, surrounded by beautiful scenery, epic mountain views, and rocks.
Look at that. Got by a little.
Another reason I love this area is because you'll be following moderate trails and then suddenly find yourself in a boulder field for some more technical wheeling. This is exactly what we came out looking for.
Yeah, there you go. That's good.
Drop that rock over, you're good. I would stay high. Yeah, keep high, keep high. Yeah, stay straight. Okay, start turning down. Okay, straight from there. You're on the slide and you're good. Yeah, it's in here.
Whatever it's leaking down low.
Is it pan again?
Did your diff kiss the pan?
Yeah, I bet it did. Yeah, it's pouring out of the pan.
Okay, so mosey on down and back to town then.
Is it quicker this way or that way?
That way.
Okay.
We're more than halfway through this.
Okay. Stupid pan. So yes, another wheeling day cut short by damage on my rig.
Kind of hard to see it on camera, but it's covered in oil here. If you look at my pan, like over behind my notch here, see how it's just creamed? Like this axle has definitely hit this pan before, and like because of that, like it doesn't seal. It's pounded this pan so much, it leaks out of everywhere.
And oddly enough, once we got off the trail and before we hit the highway, I checked on it again and the leak turned into like just a seep. It was barely dripping. And I checked my engine oil before we hit the highway and it was still fine. It was a little low, but enough to get me home. So obviously this is something that I will need to fix, and there is true rear sump pans on the market, just in the aftermarket. I mean, I can't use a factory solution like what I currently have set up. But that, of course, you'll have to see in a later episode of Dirt.Garage. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this week's episode of Dirt.Garage, and hey, I hope you enjoyed it. If you could do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button, and hey, consider subscribing. I upload weekly Toyota, building, wheeling, and off-roading content. Anyways, I'll see you next week. Peace.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm